anterior divergent or the patient is the posterior divergent. So now some of you are not known with the fact how to check out with the profile or the divergence of the patient. So I'll explain this concept in the next video. So please subscribe the channel and just be with me. Okay, so now group 2 is profile and divergence. Now group 3 is nothing but what actually it is, I'll tell you. It is the transverse malocclusion. Okay, तो transverse direction में जो malocclusion है patient में, that you have to check. Okay, so transverse, some of your students don't know what is transverse, so I'll explain. For example, this is the face of the patient, this is the eyes, this is the nose, and this is the mouth. So the malocclusion in this direction, okay, ट्रांसवर्स, दिस इज द ट्रांसवर्स डायरेक्शन. ठीक है, तो ट्रांसवर्स डायरेक्शन में जो मालोक्लूजन होगी वो उसमें आएगी, लाइक क्रॉस बाइट्स, बकल, पेलेटल, यूनिलेटरल है या बाइलेटरल क्रॉस बाइट्स हैं. यू हैव टू चेक इट आउट. ओके, वेदर द पेशेंट इज हैविंग क्रॉस बाइट्स ओनली ऑन द वन साइड और ऑन द बोथ साइड्स. ठीक है, नाउ यू ऑल्सो हैव टू कीप इन माइंड दैट कि whether it is a dental or whether it is a skeletal crossbite. Okay, then what are you gonna do? What are you gonna check is the third one. Third wala third ho gaya. Okay, group 3 is done. Now there is a group 4. Group 4 is just very easy. Sagittally. Sagittally means if this is the patient standing. Okay, just wait, I'll tell you. For example, this is the side face of, this is the nose. Okay, this is the lips and this is the chin of the patient. Okay, so ये उसका हेड था. ठीक है, लाइक दिस. ठीक है, ये नोज है, ये उसके लिप्स हैं. तो इस साइड पे जो उसकी आएगी, दैट इज द एंटीरियर टू पोस्टीरियर. ठीक है, sorry, my drawing is not that good, but I am just trying to explain you in very well mannered. Okay, in very good manner. Okay, so yeah, please try to understand. Okay, so this is okay, I'll tell you. Wait, for example, this is the patient. Okay, patient is standing in this way, in this way. Okay, in this way. Okay, so in this direction, this is the sagittal. Okay, now sagittally आएगा उसका कौन सी क्लास 1 है या क्लास 2 मालोक्लूजन है या क्लास 3 है, और वो skeletal है या वो dental है. You have to keep a check on it too. Okay, you have to write all of these things in the while taking the case histories. Okay, now after this 4 के बाद आएगा 5. 5 is nothing but the vertical malocclusion in the patient. वर्टिकली आप देखोगे कि डीप बाइट है उसके, या उसके कंप्लीट डीप बाइट है, या जस्ट उसके इनकम्प्लीट डीप